not supposed to take videos and drive, but at any rate, so I decided to take a trip anyway to Never Forgotten to find out how the crispy sandwiches are. And for some reason, I got stuck here in this snowstorm. So hopefully, so far everything is all right. And I got to find out where we're at here. I think I got to take a right. So I'll talk to you later as we figure this out. Hope the pit beef is good. Bill. Okay, so here we are. I think I found the place. This is your Black Rock food critic pulling into Never Forgotten barbecue. Try some their barbecue sandwich. So let's do this review and see how it goes. Well, thus the evening comes to an end. Had a really great time in there, and as you can see, I closed the place, and I guess I would give it a A+ for a great, really great food for a really great cause. Never Forgotten barbecue. What a great place. If you get a chance, you ought to stop by. Now it's time to try to make my way home, as there was a little bit of a snowstorm and it has gotten late, but let's see. See you later. Good night. And remember, never forgotten.